Hi folks, this is the Mobile DevOps update for October 14th, 2022. Following up from a few weeks ago, I wanted to demo what I've been working on for the Mobile DevOps settings page so you can see where things are at today. As a quick refresher, the Mobile DevOps settings page is a place where we can bring together the various configuration settings for a mobile project. With these configurations in place, we'll then be able to automate some of the more complicated steps in the build and release process, with the goal of providing features like auto code signing and auto releases. For the first iteration, I've been focused on extracting and visualizing the metadata in code signing files. Here you can see the initial UI. The way this works right now is by extending the capabilities of project-level secure files so that we can extract metadata from supported file types when they are uploaded. This is done by adding some functionality to the secure file data model. The update metadata method will check if we have a parser available for a given file type. If we do, it will use that parser to extract the data and save it to the database. We're using a serialized column to store the metadata, and we have an expires at column for files that have an expiration date. This will allow us to query and notify on these in the future. The parsers are very similar to the proof of concept I showed in a previous demo. They all expose a metadata method, which returns a hash of data extracted from the file. There are 3 supported types now, but this structure will allow for supporting any additional types we'd like to add in the future. The whole parsing process is kicked off via a background job when a new file is uploaded. Since this data doesn't change, we won't need to process the files after they've been uploaded. The views are just basic YAML templates for now, but we'll expand this to interactive view components in the future. Also, since this feature only supports code signing files for iOS right now, we're limiting this to only projects that we detect as iOS projects. This will also be expanded as we add support for other file types. As of today, there are 2 MRs still in progress. Once those are merged, we'll be able to get started on the rollout. That's all for today. The issue for this update is linked in the video description below and has links to everything I've covered in this demo. Thanks for watching.